Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we got an update for XRP. Even though the crypto markets are not looking so great today, as we're down another 3%, Bitcoin sub $100,000. Things are looking a little bit iffy. I ain't even going to lie. But what can we take from this opportunity, and what's going up with XRP? XRP debuts on Nasdaq today. This was posted yesterday. How could the market reaction be? Let's go ahead and take a look. But before we continue, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any updates like this. And while you're at it, check out Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and a download link is in the description box below for your convenience. I appreciate if you check it out, as it supports the channel tremendously. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with XRP and what can we expect. XRP, the first purely spot XRP ETF, will be approved for Nasdaq debut, signaling the token is about to enter the mainstream institutional investment space. XRP earlier reports suggestions that launch could attract up to $5 billion in new capital, adding a substantial liquidity to the markets and raising the odds of a meaningful price uptick. Now again, timing seems to be not favorable, as the market did take a massive hit today. Yet we still see XRP is in the green compared to most of the market. On the hour, it is down, but on the day, it's in the green. But is this debut enough to save the crypto market? I mean, maybe not the crypto market, but definitely something big could be coming to XRP. XRP ETF to launch on Nasdaq today. Big news for the XRP community. Cardi Capital has officially filed to list the first ever spot XRP ETF on Nasdaq, trading under the ticker XRPC. If all goes as expected, trading could begin tomorrow, aka today. So again, things could be getting a massive step in the right direction. Now, talking about big and massive, there's this one project that's looking absolutely crazy, as they're raising a ton of capital, even when the market has been kind of in shambles the past couple of days. Again, this one is called Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is going to bring L2 technology to Bitcoin. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability, speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Again, guys, they raised a whole lot of money. I had this tab open earlier today, and we can see they have passed a massive milestone, raising over $27.5 million in their pre-sale. And in 1 day and 23 hours, actually set to increase the price. Meaning, if you want to get the lowest price, now's your chance to buy. Link in the description box below. Bitcoin Hyper official pre-sale website. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin payments, meme coins, and dApps. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin Hyper, check out the link in the description box below for the website. I'm also having a dedicated video for Bitcoin Hyper coming out later today, and why people have been so bullish for this one. So definitely wait for that one as well. Should be coming out shortly after this video. Now back to XRP. XRP Ripple will soar to this price in 5 years. We see standard analyst Geoffrey Kendrick thinks XRP price could increase 73% annually during the next 3 years. Ripple CEO Brad last name I'm not gonna try to pronounce Gillinghouse says XRP could capture 14% of payment volume currently held by Swift system within 5 years. The SEC is likely to approve several spot XRP ETFs before the end of 2025, which could boost the demand among retail and institutional investors. That's why they're thinking XRP could reach a market capitalization of 145 billion. At 240, with the price target being at $12.50 by 2028. Again, that could be a very, very bullish future for XRP. We're talking about billions and billions of market cap continuing to be raised, but again, institutional interest is definitely there, causing this one to go on a nice little rapid storm. Okay, so we see XRP ETF excitement. I believe it went live today. A big news stock market ticker XRP. The main thing driving the news right now is talks about ETF, and then talks about ETF impacts, not really about XRP, but again, it looks like the market is getting very, very excited for this to come, and hopefully this kind of ends the saga of this reddish market that's been happening. Bringing new CEO of Ripple says it's finally happening, making a post on X. XRP ETF is now live. Historic moment. Years of patience, fighting, and resilience have led to this exact second. Institutional money has a direct path to XRP. The game is officially changed forever. XRP is just getting started. And again, if the prophecy fulfills itself, this could be a very, very bullish time for XRP holders. and very bullish for the company as a whole. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. If you like watching these XRP style update videos, do make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss another update just like this. And that wraps up the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.